inside of our house. Medyo empty pa naman siya. I mean, meron ng mga ibang gamit kami na pasok, of course, kasi nag-move in kami officially kahapon. Pero we're slowly bringing in more items. And I'm so sorry pala kung yung ilaw is pabugso ba tawag doon. Dito, ayun, 2 carports pala yung cash dito, guys. Actually, iniisip ko na pwede sometimes ako mag-workout dito kasi malaki naman siya. Isa lang naman yung car so far na ipapark dito. Pero, ayun, maybe we can work out here or I don't know what we can do, but we can do a lot of things. Pwede siya extra storage. So, hello! Welcome to the new house! Let me know if you guys have any recommendations ano dapat natin itawag sa bahay. You guys are so excited for this place. It's a lot bigger than our house, of course, and yung space talaga dito is parang naka-divide siya equally. So, what sold me to this place was actually yung aesthetic niya kasi very, very me, very light tones lang yung mga iba kasi na-visit namin very more the dark tone. So, let's start first with the living area. Super spacious yung living area to the point na I still don't know what to put in here. I mean, I have some thoughts already or meron akong mga naisip na pwede ilagay, like yung sofa. Actually, paparating na yung sofa namin pero baka palitan ko pa rin siya to match my aesthetic even more. This is basically the living space and then merong blinds dito na roll-up blinds. And then you have the roll-up blinds over here. Siguro yung kulang na lang dito is a little bit more sunlight. Parang feeling ko kulang siya sa sunlight. Pero, I mean, okay na rin siya. And again, I actually love the whites of this house. I love how it matches with my theme right now. Very light lang. Don't mind the furniture in here kasi kaka-move in na namin kahapon guys. So, dito final lahat. None of this is definitely final. But let's move in here on the dining area. So far, ito yung meron. Pero baka palitan ko pa. Who knows? Definitely not the final interior whatsoever yet, but I had to have a dining area, of course. So currently I have this 6-seater lang, tapos space saver siya. I like the yellow tones and then the glass top of this table. So invite ako ng guests, or if you want my family, friends over, it's gonna be easy. One of the features that sold me into this place, immediately talaga when I saw this place, I knew, para ito na, this is it. Because of the kitchen! I'm so happy with the kitchen. Empty pa siya ngayon, medyo may mga tubig pa, mga random. Pero haalisin ko pa yung lahat. Ang dami ko mga plans, yung ref namin will be in here, napaparating pa lang. I have ordered a ref already, pero paparating pa lang siya. But yeah, so much storage. Wala lang kami pantry, but okay lang kasi I don't really want to store so much food. Okay lang naman sa akin na mag-grocery lang every couple of weeks or so. It's like, yung nag-store ako ng food, diba? But we don't really end up eating the food and parang na-expire lang. So I'd rather, just do a couple of grocery runs. But for me, the storage space is really, really amazing. Madami na talaga. So we have storage over here. The ref's gonna go here. Alex's ref is gonna go here, probably. Meron tayong built-in induction stove. Tapos meron na rin tayong oven sa ilalim. So, King Z, this is really for King Z kasi sobrang gusto talaga niya mag-bake. Meron akong built-in so we didn't really have to do anything and I super love it. We have a lot of space again. Lots of space for making food content which I super love and I've been dreaming of making food content kaya di naman ako na magluto. But the simple recipes, you know what I mean? And then over here we have some storage pa. A lot of cabinets for food storage or mga storage for utensils, plates, whatever. And then also, yeah, these ones are storage also. So right now, I have a bunch of stuff lang na nauna namin idala. And then more storage over here. And we have an island. One thing na talagang wish ko din is gusto ko talaga ng island, guys. This also serves as extra dining space. So pwede kumain yung mga tao dyan. So from kitchen to dining, dito na tayo sa powder room. So, oh my god, I really love this powder room kasi ang laki niya, best. So, yeah, this is the powder room. Come in, pasok kayo. So, yeah, guys, I love the powder room kasi I can take selfies and we can all take selfies. So, meron my acrylic table stand over here, super, super love. And then, of course, the toilet and the sink. It's a basic powder room, but it's really, really nice naman. I like the tones. It's pretty big. We can fit a lot of people in here. One thing I love about this is it just feels so open and it just feels so nice and peaceful. So ito, we have a glass door over here, which will lead us to the maid's room over there. Pero hindi ko na kayo papakita sa maid's room kasi ano lang siya, extra room lang siya. Pero since wala naman kaming maid, I'm just gonna make that room into storage room na lang kasi marami akong abubot. As in, super daming gamit. So, there you go. One more thing about this place pala that I feel like you guys should know, I love the lights. Ang daming iba't-ibang mga lights, guys, na parang you can interchange depending on your mood. Ang daming mga options if you want a warmer, setting, then just turn off the other lights, and then if you want like a more, you know, parang mas brighter look. So, ang dami talaga mga moods. Here naman, are the stairs going to the second floor. You didn't know, like, little detail lang. Meron din siya parang lights dyan sa baba na parang naka-add lang. So, okay, let's go up to the second floor. Kaya gusto ko sa stairs ito, guys. Ganda niya, tapos hindi rin siya bitin. Kasi di ba may mga stairs na parang kalakot ng paawa lang yung nakikita. Hiningan ako. Hiningan ako din mga best. So, we have just like a big window here. And then, I like this area a lot also. Like, I can do some shoots in here. Ay, nakakahinga siya, best. Isa sa mga hinahanap ko is, I really wanna maximize the space na parang pwede ka makagawa ng content everywhere. Maganda sa mata eh, guys. Like, pwede ka makagawa ng content everywhere. I love that this place is also very, very well lit. So, like, super daming natural light. Second and third floor, the lighting is just chef's kiss. Okay, so this is what I call my second floor. Actually, 2 bedrooms to, pero ang plan ko dito, I'm gonna convert it into my very own walk-in closet, my dream walk-in closet talaga. So, pasok na dito guys. But it's messy because ito yung storage room ngayon. Kaka-move in lang namin kahapon, diba? So, like, all of the stuff is in here lang. Stay tuned kasi gagawin ko talaga itong walk-in closet. Pasok po tayo. Ayan siya. It's actually really big. Kung gagawin ko siyang walk-in closet. I'm just so excited kasi ang dami kong plans for this. But right now, it just has all of my stuff, basically. Majority are my clothes, kaya ganyan siya. So, there. And then, of course, we have a bathroom. Let's try to keep it clean lang talaga. So, ito yung bathroom. So, this is gonna be Kingsy's bathroom. Actually, ginagamit na niya. So, hindi ko na kayo papasok ng sobra-sobra kasi medyo messy siya ngayon. But just a brief look at the bathroom. We have some closet space also. I think we're gonna put like some bed sheets over here. I'm definitely converting this into a walk-in closet kasi yun talaga yung isa sa mga pangarap ko, guys. Like, sabi ko, shocks, kailangan yung walk-in closet ako. Nakaka-dito lang yung mga lights dito kasi ang dami yung lights. But anyway, into the masters. Tada! This is gonna be my bedroom in this house and I'm just so in love with every corner of it, you guys. Ang ganda kasi all white na halos. Ito, we have the wood flooring that's not too dark, which is really, really nice. Ayoko na anything na super dark. So, actually, the only furniture we have here is my bed kasi dumating na siya. I super love this bed. It's from Firewood on Instagram and I love it. It's a queen size bed, by the way. Ganda ng pagkakagawa. It's really, really good quality. Feels, looks, and looks expensive also. I don't know what I'm gonna do here yet. Parang yung mga configuration natin. But, one thing I love is my floor to ceiling. Actually, hindi naman siya floor to ceiling, pero almost. Almost floor to ceiling. We have like a big window here. Meron din ba na tayo mga pako-pamulong dito? Meron tayong pupong nahanap dito. Mukha siyang gamot, mukha siyang tablet. This is not mine, definitely not mine. It's my cameraman's nail right here. Magigising ka na lang dahil umaaraw na ito umaga na. Yung tipong ganun kasi before sa house namin, hindi namin nalalaman kung umaga na o gabi kasi like sobrang medyo like madilim siya, kulog kumbaga. But this one is the complete opposite, so I loved it. Nothing too dark kasi I really wanted to be bright and calming and peaceful. Yung talaga yung naging vibe ko. So, this is my room. Yung favorite part ko, which is the bathroom, which is sobrang kaya ko. Okay, anyway, welcome to the bathroom! So, ngayon, naka-close yung mga lights. But of course, marami, sabi ko, marami mga options yung lights dito, which I really like. So, you can obviously do this, do this, and then, isang dami ng mga, ayan. You can like, mellow it down, tone it down. So, dito tayo, pasok tayo. This bathroom is really, really big, way bigger than my previous one at my home. And I can now take content even sa banyo. Kung gusto nyo ng Vogue, ala Vogue na makeup tutorial, guys, magagawa ko siya. Like, sobrang happy ko. And we have this huge, huge mirror over here, which is also, of course, a plus for me. It's just honestly so nice. I love it. I can see myself. I can see everything in here. And we have the sink, of course. Yung shower area, meron lang tayong glass partition, which is very minimal, like very nice. Gusto ko talaga na meron siyang shelf for your products. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-stack ng mga, alam mo yung parang yung sin-stack mo pa yung products mo, which can be yung medyo masakit sa mata. So, ito kasi, andito na lahat ng products mo. So, okay siya. So, you're probably wondering what this is. And, guys, ito yung isa sa mga naging favorite parts ko din. When we viewed this house, ito talaga yung parang, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have this. Ready na ba kayo? I'm gonna have Another walk-in closet. Another walk-in closet for your girl. Let's open the lights. Ta-da! I can walk, I can run, I can like pwede ako mag-tumbling. This is really, really big walk-in closet for me. I'm so sorry, pasensya na po sa towel ko kasi wala tayong sabitan ng towels. But this is gonna be the walk-in closet part 1. So, 2 walk-in closets ako. Basically, yung isa i-convert ko mas parang full-on, parang dressing area. This one was intimate, so I'm gonna put like my daily wear, also like my bags probably, like my everyday wear, and then dun sa kabila nga, like the rest of my clothes probably. Nagawa ko siya ng video, kayo mag-alala. I-organize natin yung walk-in closet na to. So, sobrang happy ko kasi ang dami kong mga, clothing, fashion videos na pwede magawa, pwede ako mag-content dito. And super nagustuhan ko din how this layout is kasi it's very me. Like the tones, I mean, like mga cream tones, and then like the whites, like wala ka nakikitang black. Dito, buhok ko lang. So, ang dami niyang hanging space. Ayoko na kasi yung fold ng mga clothes. Very much of an upgrade tong hanging space ko. And then, eto, come here. Meron tayong, another thing I loved about this is we have a huge mirror. Like a huge mirror where I can take my OOTDs. So, tsk! Sobrang happy ko kasi I don't have to buy a mirror na. Like, meron tayong full-length mirror. So, super love ko. And again, I have so much hanging space. Like, mga accessories. Nagpagawa nga ako ng accessory island, pero feeling ko, kahit dito na yung accessories ko, super okay na rin. Pero guys, the hanging space though, and this one, just really sold me. As in, sobrang love na love ko siya. So, I'm just gonna close the door. And now, so I think, dito pa, medyo gamay ito. Ayan, so inopen ko yung. Now we're gonna move to the third and last floor in this house. Isa po sa gusto ko at least, alam mo parang may exercise kami kumbaga kasi there's a lot of stairs in this place, so makaka-exercise kami. So there you go! This is the third floor. So papalitan namin to, of course, it's not final yet, pero para lang may mirror kami ngayon. So again, we have the lights. I think ito yun. So more lights and we have...
Girl, we all know. Ikaw kuha niyan later.
Oh my gosh! But anyway, yeah, we have more lights. So I love, again, sabi ko sa inyo, very mailaw siya. And I can take like whatever kind of content I want in this space, in this. Like, ang dami kong pwede magawa dito. Again, the space is very bright. Like, it gets brighter and brighter by the floor. So, super bag, ang ganda, like, super spacious. Okay, so now, we have the rest of the room. So here is gonna be Kingsy's room. So there you go. This is gonna be his room. And again, sabi ko nga, very ano pa siya. Wala pa naman. Yung bed niya, kakabili pa lang namin. And of course, we have the roll of blinds in here. And
She bright.
Ang ganda ng closet space. Kasi medyo marami din clothes si Kingsy. So, this is gonna be his closet space. As in, super spacious siya. Hindi ko na bubuksan, pero yeah. Ang ganda niya. Very light lang. And then this is gonna be Alex's room. So, here you go. Same thing naman, guys. Meron tayong roll of blinds. And then, yeah, it's just such a nice space. Ito yung closet space. Ano siya, apat na areas. So, ang dami rin malalagay ng mga damit dito. So much stuff can fit in here. It's such a nice vibe over here, so I think she's gonna enjoy it. And then we have here another bathroom. So third floor is lang yung bathroom. Kaya yung bathroom ni Kingsy will be sa second floor na lang kasi wala naman po magkamay. But yeah, this is gonna be the other bathroom, which is super big. As in, ang laki nito. May exhaust to! So yeah, this is gonna be Alex's bathroom. May hanger.
May hanger pa.
But yeah, it's so spacious, diba? Like, super lovely.
Yeah.
Ang ganda niya.
I love this, like, very domey. Yeah, very domey vibe. Like, meron siyang cave, like
yes,
that.
Yes, it's enclosed na. Kasi amin diba parang half partition lang. So yung kay Alex, parang hindi enclosed na siya. So, super nice. It's super nice. And again, she can take like as many selfies in here because yung aesthetic is really like light. So this last space, meron tayong, parang naka-separate siya, diba? Ang nice kasi meron siyang separation. So, this one pwedeng office, pwedeng like, recreational area. You can do so many things with this. Pwede nga parang mini theater, o diba? Mini theater, pwede ka rin dito mag-workout. To be honest, kami hindi ko pa alam kung anong gagawin namin dito. We can take content, that's for sure. Or, like, pwedeng office, pwedeng work area, para lang may separation dun sa personal beds namin. Tapos kapag, we're feeling more productive, we have this space. And then lastly, Here, meron pa tayong extra space over here. So, dito actually dapat laundry area namin, pero we're not sure pa kasi may laundry lang sa baba. May laundry kasi sa baba, so magpa-laundry na lang kami, to be honest. And ito, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it, to be honest. Ayan! So basically, that is everything in the house. I am just so happy, I'm so grateful. I feel productive in here, and I just cannot wait to style it. I can't wait to furnish it. May mga dumarating tingnan ng mga ilan-ilan, pero you know, we can always change and we can always change and swap it out naman. But yeah, basically that is it. That is it. Super echoey pa. But yes, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching our empty house tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys are excited for everything, for all of the content that's about to come. I swear, promise. Yeah, I'm claiming it. Masisipagan ko pa talaga. Pati si Kinsey magsisipag ko na. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Thank you for all of your support. And yeah, thank you for watching. And I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye!